Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to use PayPal Credit. It's a digital line of credit, seamlessly integrated with your PayPal account, offering a flexible way to manage online purchases. Think of it as a virtual credit card, allowing you to buy now and pay later without needing a physical card. A key benefit is often special financing, such as 6 months with no interest on purchases of $99 or more, giving you more time to pay. Applying for PayPal Credit is straightforward. First, you'll need an active PayPal account. The application is completed online in just a few minutes, where you'll provide basic personal information, including your date of birth, income, and the last 4 digits of your Social Security number. A credit check is performed, and you typically receive an instant decision. While not guaranteed, a fair credit score, usually above 670, is often a good starting point for approval. Using PayPal Credit for purchases is simple. When shopping online, look for retailers that accept PayPal. At checkout, simply select PayPal as your payment method, then choose PayPal Credit from your funding options. Remember, purchases of $99 or more often qualify for special financing, like 6 months with no interest. For even greater ease, you can set PayPal Credit as your default payment. Some participating stores also allow in-store payments using your phone number and a PIN or a single-use code from the PayPal app. Managing your PayPal Credit account is convenient and flexible. You can easily oversee all your activity online or directly through the PayPal app. Here, you'll find your recent purchases, detailed transaction history, and monthly statements. To ensure timely payments, you have several options: make a one-time payment, schedule future payments, or set up automatic payments. You can also pay by phone or mail. Remember, minimum monthly payments are always required to maintain your account.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.